In order to access the KCN Directory on the intranet, click Directory on the Options menu. On the Directory page, you will be provided with options for searching the person whose contact information you're looking for. You can search using first name, last name, office, or email. For better results, use the last name or the first name options. Type the name in the last name text box, for example, and then click Search. If the info is available in the database, it will be displayed as follows. You'll be able to see their office number, if they provided it, as well as their phone number and email address. To search for another name, you will click Show Form. When you click Show Form, you'll be sent back to the page where you can enter a person's name. If your contact information has not been listed and you would like it to be shown on the intranet, please send an email to bkonyani@kcn.unima.mw.